Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And we are doing sort of a sandwich contest today.
No, we're not. Jane is not happy because we're doing things I know about. And so I'm going to hope to
I love
help
everything you know about.
Oh, yeah.
She has not told me about her sandwich.
I have something new, brand new.
So I'm learning about this as we speak.
Crazy.
I love things she knows about. That's everything I know.
No.
It's what she knows
I didn't
about.
quite mean that. So, I want to tell you about this amazing sandwich
It's not in
that
our
our
book.
son Ted discovered in Colorado. And it has in it cucumber, radish, and apple. So, onward.
That's a great blend. Okay.
This is a... Oh,
And while she's doing that sandwich, I'm going to do the one that we thought we were making today, which is the cucumber and kale open face sandwich on page 58 if you're following. Oh my gosh, our book's falling apart. We've used it to pieces.
so
Okay, so I'm going to try to catch up with her making this sandwich that I thought we were making today. Okay.
wait, let me just go for a minute. So I'm going to put some mustard on here because I think it helps just to give it, and you can put as
I'm
much
using
or a
this
little.
locker bread that's been toasted. And
It's toasted to it's like a crisp.
Yeah,
To show them how
diving
crispy
board.
it is.
Crisp like a
Now,
shingle.
Jane, just a minute. So here we go. I am going to put on cucumbers. I am going to put on radishes.
I'm putting on cilantro.
And by the way, the radishes,
And
these
kale.
are my radishes, and Jane is not happy because she thinks the greens don't look good, but guess what? I
know
would
what she was
cut
doing.
these greens off and use them as the greens in my cereal because radish
She's
greens
a goat.
are perfectly
the
good.
microbiome of a goat. I love it.
Wait, Jane.
I have kale. This is kale. I have kale.
Okay.
I'm trying to keep up with you.
And then I am going to put an apple slice. I just cut that apple
Scallions.
like this. And then I am going to just fill that in. And then I'm going to put some arugula. I always love to use arugula.
Scallions. Now I'm putting mustard on the cucumbers.
And now I am lidding it.
And the mustard is sort of the sealant, if you will, to hold them down. Oh, you're done?
I'm done.
Okay, well, let's slice it. Let's try it. I'm almost done. I'm doing the...
My husband always likes his sandwiches sliced like this, so
He thinks that they are
they
bigger.
taste better.
Or they're, yeah,
But
they taste
just
better and they're bigger.
But just look at that. Beautiful sandwich.
Okay, and then with this one from our book, oh my gosh, how is this possible? We have a new lemon pepper. We never have a new lemon pepper. We top it with lemon pepper, and here we go. So, hey, I tell you what, you want to try mine? I'll try yours.
No, I want to try mine.
Okay, ready to go. All righty.
Oh, such a nice crunch. Is yours a good crunch?
I love the mustard on the cucumber. All right, what are you making in your sandwiches?
And a little nice bit of that apple. It's really, this is good.
All right, let's just trade. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Make your sandwich. That is good.